Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Yay! You ready? Can you blow? And there you go. That's your cupcake. You can eat your cupcake.
It's the same flavor as it.
It's pretty yummy, Landon. Why don't you try a little bite?
You have frosting one?
Here, Mom will try. Mmm.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
is that your birthday?
Not my birthday.
You want your cupcake, Garrett?
Yeah. I want cupcake. I want to pick one out.
Okay, I'll
I
go
want
get
to
it.
blow my
We
candles.
don't want any.
I'll go get one.
Free, Daddy.
Yeah, when you're 3, you'll get 3 candles when you turn 3.
Right now, I get one of it. Right now, I get one.
Bless you.
Landon gets one.
I'm going to get 3. My finger took the bite. My finger took the bite.